carpet is probably one of the most difficult products to shred. All different things that we tried and nothing was working. Had a lot of problems with overheating, a lot of problems with the quality of the product. The throughput was so low where it wasn't really cost effective to do it. I just wanted to have one machine that could do everything. So having spoken to Lindner and Mactech, they could see that I had reservations. So they were really good in terms of coming to us and saying, right, we'll supply the machine, and once we can prove that it does what we say it could do, then we can pay the money to buy the machine. And if it doesn't, then we'll take it away. I'm James Harper. I'm the Managing Director of Equestrian Surfaces Limited. We recycle, manufacture, supply synthetic all-weather riding surfaces for the equine industry. We have customers that are all over the world. We supply 4 continents, over 41 different countries. So everything we do here at Equestrian Surfaces is all around how we can deal with carpet waste. Here at Burnley, it's all around how we can deal with the pre-consumer and the post-consumer.
So how do you differentiate between the two types of material that you process?
So this type of material here is all pre-consumer, so these are all offcuts, where customers have cut the carpet and this is the waste that's left over. Anything that comes in that's from a post-consumer source goes down energy for waste route. Anything that comes in from a pre-consumer route will go down the equine route. On the equine, the quality has to be second to none. So to make sure this happens, our process starts with our customers, vetting the customers, vetting the products, so bringing in trial loads, being very thorough with what we bring in. The fibres that we produce that go into the equine are a very fine product. This is one of our non-wax surfaces. The fibre acts as a root structure to provide cushioning and support. So when the horses are riding on the surface, every step is consistent. Not a lot of people do just carpet on its own. They might do it on bigger size screens, like more bulky waste, but not to the fine of what we do it to and the volume that we do. We normally run on a 30mm screen, roughly for about 30 to 40 hours. Then we'll change to a 40mm screen, do the same 30 to 40 hours. Then once we've done that, the blades are at a point where, from an equine point of view, the blades are too blunt. So at that point then, that's when we flip over to energy. So we'll then put in a 50mm screen. We'll do roughly again about 40 hours. Then we'll put in an 80mm screen and we'll do about 40 hours. That means we prolong the life of the blades. So then everything that we're doing in them stages is creating the quality of product that we want to achieve for the different industries that we send our products into.
So we installed this machine in 2021. We thought this were a perfect fit for your company with the shredding of carpet. Now we're 5 years on down the road. Do you agree that this was the perfect machine for you?
Oh, 100% Sam. The Lindner Micromat really allows us total versatility. We can put bigger size screens in. We can still process carpet, but for different industries. Some of the materials that we put through the Lindner 2500 are really, really abrasive, really, really tough, but it deals with it really, really well. The shredder being rotor cooled is probably one of the best features. Without the cooler, the product would start to melt, it would start to go crispy. We wouldn't be able to produce consistently. This product, when you shred it, can go crispy very quickly because of the melting points. When I approached Mactech and asked them would it be possible for the entire cutting system to be rotor cooled, I think we would actually get more lifespan out of the blades. I think we would be able to produce other products like cottons and polyesters where the melting points lower. The engineering department at Lindner had already been proactive in this and were engineering and innovating a solution without even knowing that I needed a solution. With Lindner, the partnership works really well. Everything that we've learnt with this shredder, we're now taking into making sure it's even better for the next shredder. We've got another Micromat 2500 ordered. It will fully be rotor cooled, and I think that will be the #1 main point of the shredder. I'm really excited and looking forward to seeing how the new shredder performs based on all the things that's been developed from our current 2500. So I'm expecting a even stronger performing shredder than we've currently got, but it's going to be very good to have two shredders running side by side to really see how much improvement's been made.